Hey guys, it's Ashley from Editor Reviews, and today we're unboxing a Little Touch of Magick. This is one of my new favorites, just saying. Okay, so this is an interesting concept I don't think I've ever seen done before. My cat is gonna cry the whole video. Psst, 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 psst. Why is she crying? Like, I'm calling her over. I'm here. So this subscription is really unique. Basically, each box contains a short story. And then everything in the box is curated around the short story. I know this month has a siren theme, and you guys are all lucky because they brought down the price. It's $45.99 now. I just did this box last month, and I think it was like, I don't remember how much, but now it's only $45.99. So it's amazing. All the items I got were like handmade artisanals. Very, very cool. All right, so, and this is siren themed. So the book, it's a short story. It's not a book, but it says read me first, so you understand what you're doing, and then the title is Retribution by J.M. Steele. So then you go through, and it's a really, the first thing here, it says, in ancient Greek mythology, Amphitrite was the goddess queen of the sea, wife of Poseidon, and eldest of the 50 Nereids. She was the female personification of the sea, the mother of fish, seals, and dolphins. So I'm guessing the story might be about her. So here you go, Retribution. And then we have this little card here. It says, in July, it was of unparalleled beauty with a color-changing coat and a spiral horn, such a proud and glittering creature. The king knew he had to have one. So it's saying that the July box is going to be about unicorns, which is very fun. So here's what we have right here. And you open that baby up. Here's what Amphitrite sent back with you. Okay, so I love that, like, you get these items that are from this story. It's just really cool to me. And then they do go through here, and it does look like they have retail values. We're not going to peek. And they do have information. Now, I do not know what's in here, but there was a card that was not included that tells you about one of the items, and I will tell you about that. So this is from Le Noir Bazaar, fine handcrafted soap and siren song. It has notes of bergamot, orchid, jasmine. You guys know I love jasmine. Musk and moss. Well, I can't smell it through that cellophane, but I'll let you guys know. And I love, like, it's green, and it, like, looks like kind of, is it like Art Deco? I don't know, but it's pretty, right? I want to smell it. I wish I could open it, but I'm not gonna. All right. I do love the way things are packaged in this package, too. Ta-da! Look at how cute they are. Remember last month, I was like, I wish I had taken pictures, and then I tried to tie it up. It didn't work. All right, we have a pair of earrings that are dolphins. Oh, these are really cute. And then we will look through the card at the end to tell you the retail values. I remember, though, this box had a really high retail. I was like, wow. It had a really high retail value. Here's our next item. I'm so excited. Are you excited? Because I'm excited. Ooh, how pretty. Oh, my goodness gracious. Oh, so we have here. Oh, okay. A little fuzz stuck to you. I don't want that. All right. We have so it's a little set of, like, these are like a matte, they have like a matte sheen, pearl earrings. And then this necklace has like an iridescent clamshell, a mermaid charm, little seashells. Ooh, don't tangle, my friend. Oh, don't. And then a little cluster of pearls. How gorgeous is that? I love it. It's so pretty. I'm not going to put it in with the cushiony thing because I'm afraid it'll get stuck in there. All right. Next we have, I'm trying to peek before I even open. I'm opening it. Come on, Ashley. All right, we have, is this a candle? No, it's a bath salt. Is it bath salt? Island Escape Sea Salt Bath Soap. Ooh. So it has its own little scooper over here, and it's got a little shell on the top. I want to smell it, though. Wow, it felt like it had like a vacuum seal. That was crazy. Ooh, so it smells like peach and magic. I don't know. That smells really good though. Like kind of fruity. And I'm not even into fruit. Like you guys know, like I'm not into fruity scents, but this one is really nice. Not like a very common. So it's pink Himalayan salt, Epsom salts, baking soda, citric acid, coconut oil fragrance. Coconut oil. I mean coconut. Oh no. Okay, no. See, duh. coconut oil, comma, fragrance. They don't tell you the actual. I'm going to have to look that up though, but it smells good, girls. I can't wait to try it out. I love bath. You guys know I love hot baths, so you all know that. All right, next item. Okay, so this is the very special item. This is exclusive to this box. These are one of a kind. They were created, I'll tell you the name of the company. It's probably on the card. If not, I'll put it all in my full review, which I'll link to below. I'll also link to Little Touch of Magick so you can check them out. Sorry, my sunburn is so itchy. All right. How pretty. Oh my goodness, look. So this is a hair comb. This is what I'm saying. It's one of a kind. It's exclusive. It's gorgeous. How pretty is this? I'm actually going, so next week I'm going to the beach with my girlfriend who's a hairdresser, and I'm sure maybe we'll take some pictures at the beach and she can make my hair look gorgeous with this, right? Wouldn't that be cool? All right, so anyway, there's that. I love this. I love hair combs. I think that they're like one of those things that is like an item from yesteryear, you know, that I think I can smell the hot glue. It's from like yesteryear. That's just like so special, you know? Ta-da! How pretty, right? Okay, so next we have, not hot glue, I smell like the adhesive. I say hot glue like it's some sort of, I don't mean it like that. Anyway, then we have, this is from Minky Accessories. It's a little clamshell style coin purse. Look at the iridescence. Is that what I'm thinking of? I don't know, but it's really pretty. I love it. I'll actually, to be honest, my kids are going to be like, can I have that? Can I have that? I have that good bin. If my kids are really good, you get this item. Or this that you get to pick. So this is something that, this is one of the items that I'd probably put in there. Just because it's super cute. And they'll like it. All right. Anything to get them to behave. There are two of these blank cards. Are they blank? I said that. I didn't even know if they are, but I'm guessing. Because usually you get no cards in boxes. So it's a little mermaid with an umbrella. And this one is a mermaid with a little cupid there. All right, so let's look through the retail values. And then it says, oh, look at the bottom. It says thank you. So sweet. All right. All right, so our silver net kimono. Net kimono. Which one was that? All right, so we're just gonna, I don't know which one that was. I don't know what whatever item we don't figure out what it is, that's what that is. The handmade seashell accent comb is $38, so there's that. The mermaid necklace is $24. The dolphin earrings on stainless steel wires is $18. The bath soak is $12. The sea siren or mermaid tear soap is $6. The mermaid coin purse is $5. And the set of vintage style note cards is, am I missing something? Maybe this is an item here. Oh, okay. So I totally missed this. This is an actual item. Not bad. Silver net kimono. Ooh, so it's like a, oh my goodness. I don't know how to wear it. I have to look. So you wear this like this. Ooh, how pretty is that? I love it. It's very decadent. And then with your like little, ta-da, how beautiful. You get your new necklace. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it. Oh my goodness. All right, so that's what the kimono meant. I was like, I don't see no kimono. All right, so this is, that's $45. The mermaid coin purse is $5, and then the vintage style note cards is $8. So then the box has, let's go through the retail value. 70, 83, 87, 97, 107, 127, 137, 143, plus 5. Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! 148. We just finished what we're doing. 53 plus 8 is like $161 for $45.99 in products, which is amazing. My camera fell literally while I was recording this. Ah, oh my gosh. So anyway, that is everything. I need to end it while it's still going. Okay. That's everything that I received in my Little Touch of Magick. This box is incredible. If you ask me, I think it's one of the best ones out there right now, like new boxes. So watch out for it. If you're interested in the full review, I'll be linking to that below. I will also link to Little Touch of Magick so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.